If your Google Maps reputation keeps tanking, you're skipping one step, and here's exactly how to fix it. Here's the problem. 73% of businesses never reply to their first negative review. Reply to every Google review within 24 hours, even the good ones, to boost visibility by 42%. Flag policy-violating reviews using Google's official form at support.google.com/business within 48 hours. Your Google Maps reputation directly controls how many customers call you. A local contractor gets hit with a fake 1-star review from a competitor. Within 72 hours, his booking calls drop 35%. One bad review costs him $2,400 in lost jobs that month. Google Maps shows reviews to 88% of mobile searchers in 2026, so your star rating is your storefront. If you're sitting at 3.2 stars, you're losing half your potential customers before they even click. The fix is a system, not luck. Most businesses treat Google reviews like junk mail. They ignore them, or panic reply once, then forget. That's why their reputation never improves. You need a repeatable process that works every single week. Most people fail here. They reply to a bad review with emotion. They argue, they defend, they sound desperate. That makes it worse. Google's algorithm reads tone. A defensive reply drops your ranking. Potential customers see the fight and run. The correct move is a calm, professional response that includes the keyword your business ranks for. Use this template. Thanks for the feedback. We take your service category seriously and would love to resolve this. Please contact us at phone so we can make it right. That reply shows future customers you care, even if the review was fake. It also gives you documentation if you need to escalate to Google later. Step 2 is flagging policy violations. Google removes reviews that break their content policy, but only if you ask correctly. Log into your Google business profile, find the review, click the 3 dots, select Flag as inappropriate. Google takes 3 to 7 days to respond. The trick is knowing which violations stick. Reviews with profanity, personal attacks, or obvious fake content get removed 67% of the time if you flag them properly. Generic complaints like bad service almost never get removed. If your first flag gets rejected, ReputationZilla can escalate it using reputation management channels that regular businesses don't have access to. That's where the 90% removal rate comes from. Step 3 is building review velocity. This is important. Google ranks businesses with consistent new reviews higher than businesses with old stale ratings. You need 4 to 6 new reviews every month to stay competitive in 2026. Send a follow-up email or text 24 hours after every completed job with a direct Google review link. Use a tool like Birdeye or Podium to automate it, or just copy your Google Maps short link into a text template. Businesses that ask get 8 times more reviews than businesses that wait. The goal is not perfection. A 4.6 star rating with 80 reviews beats a 5.0 star rating with 12 reviews every single time, because Google trusts volume. Here's the problem. Right now your Google Maps profile probably has 9 reviews, half of them are 3 stars or lower, and you haven't replied to any of them in 6 months. That's what most small businesses look like. After applying steps 1 through 3, your profile has 42 reviews, a 4.5 star average, and every single review has a professional reply. Customers see that and think, this business is active, responsive, and trustworthy. That shift happens in 60 to 90 days if you follow the system. Now the advanced move. If you have a review that violates Google policy but your flag got rejected, you can escalate through Google's small business advisors. Most business owners don't know this exists. Go to support.google.com/business, click Contact Us, select Manage Reviews, and request a callback. A real human will review your case within 48 hours. Use this exact wording when you talk to them. This review violates your policy on fake content under Section 3.2 of the Prohibited and Restricted Content Guidelines. I have documentation showing this reviewer was never a customer. I'm requesting manual review and removal. That phrasing works because you're citing the actual policy section. If you still get rejected, that's when you bring in ReputationZilla. We handle Google Maps review disputes professionally, escalate through reputation management channels, and manage your reviews across TripAdvisor, Yelp, and social media. Visit ReputationZilla.org to get professional help cleaning up your online reputation so you can focus on running your business. This review violates your policy on fake content under Section 3.2 of the Prohibited and Restricted Content Guidelines. I have documentation showing this reviewer was never a customer. I'm requesting manual review and removal. Reply to every review within 24 hours. Flag policy violations through Google Business Profile. Get 4 to 6 new reviews monthly to build velocity. Visit ReputationZilla.org for professional reputation management help today. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.